How to access Facebook Marketplace on your phone. Hey everyone, if you're trying to access Facebook Marketplace and not sure how, first of all, open up your Facebook application. And once you open up the app, make sure that you are logged in. Now, in many cases, you can find the Marketplace option directly up on your navigation bar. But if you don't see it there, you can tap on your profile icon or the menu icon at the top, and from here, under the See More option, you'll find Marketplace somewhere around here. Tap on it, and now you can land directly on your Facebook Marketplace. Now, you could also go ahead and change your location. So, in order to change the location, you can tap on the location icon at the top right. If you want, you could turn on the location to locate me and see your nearby Facebook Marketplace. But if you want to select it on map, you could just go ahead and select any place around the world. So let's say if I just go ahead and search for New York here, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in a bit so that I cover most of this area, and then tap on apply. Now, according to this, the marketplace will also be refreshed, and it's as easy as that. Now, if you find the item that you're looking for, you could just go ahead and tap on it and then just message this to the seller. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.